That's not supposed to happen.
Good morning, hero. Ready to melt?
Okay, rude.
My sword. It's performance melting? Nice hair, by the way.
Hey! Hey! This took ages to style.
Exiting scene.
Even the floor's quitting on me. Seriously, before I fall, hit L-like. Mini Brick Heroes TGH needs you.
My bad.
I knew this was a bad idea. I meant to do that. This is beyond my pay grade. That was almost cool. I did not mean to make that. Before the volcano respawns, smash that button. Thanks for watching Mini Brick Heroes TGH.